Nides, an innovative startup that develops advanced industrial solutions and products applicable to process control, is developing an innovative solution that, through predictive analysis, allows you to optimize the management of the maintenance status of wind power plants. The proposed solution consists of a proprietary hardware part called the Aeolus detector, which is installed in the wind farms, and a software component called the Aeolus predictor, which, thanks to the use of technologies based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, uses the data generated by the hardware for predictive analysis on the maintenance status of systems. Aeolus is an intelligent device that reduces the high maintenance costs of wind farms. It does this with accurate real-time predictive analytics. It includes an innovative electronic system and software based on machine learning. Extends the useful life and profitability of wind power plants. It does not replace existing monitoring systems, but rather enhances them. Thanks to Aeolus, it's expected that maintenance cost will be reduced by at least 20%, all to the benefit of a 3% increase in productivity and an extension of the average useful life of wind turbines. Predictive maintenance means reducing maintenance costs estimated at an average saving of around 3,200 euros per megawatt. The global wind market is worth more than $125 billion, with an expected annual growth CAGR of 4.6% until 2027, when the market value is expected to grow to $180 billion. All the most industrialized countries have approved plans for the development of renewable energy until 2030 and beyond that date. Among these, wind energy has a fundamental role in replacing obsolete and polluting forms of electricity production. The wind production potential in these countries is expected to increase from the current, in 2021, 350 gigawatt of power to around 464 gigawatt in 2030. In Italy alone, a doubling of the installed capacity is expected, from 11 gigawatt to 22 gigawatt in the same period. The USA, which currently has the highest installed power, 128 gigawatt, will increase its capacity to 158 gigawatt. Maintenance spending for such plants in 2021 is estimated at 5.6 billion euros and is expected to increase steadily, concerning the installed capacity increase to approximately 7.4 billion euros. Currently, similar solutions will not negatively impact expected sales, as Aeolus will be more effective in predictive analysis and with reduced installation times, as well as providing cloud data management oriented towards customer needs. Thank you for watching.